And that's how we got out. And then Grandpa and Nana, they needed...
Yeah.
Yep, the four of us. We needed bread and milk.
Yeah.
So Grandpa got a sled and put me and Andrea in it. And he had to walk almost a mile, which for him is a big deal, to the grocery store. Because he couldn't drive, because all the roads were blocked with snow. So he dragged me and Aunt Andrea in the sled. And I remember this, we got milk, and we got eggs, and we got bread. And then he turned around, because there used to be a grocery store at the end of where Grandpa and Nana lived, where the Chinese restaurant is, across the street there. There used to be a grocery store. And no one could drive.
Yeah.
Everyone was pulling their kids, like Grandpa was, with the sled. It was so much fun. And the snow was so deep, we made tunnels. They weren't paths, actual tunnels through the snow.
Yeah.
We were like little planks.
How do you remember this, Brad?
The Blizzard of 78 was incredible.
You remember it.
Yeah.
I was only 2. I don't remember it at all.
12, honey. 12.
I was 2.
Quit filming my lips.